Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Some breaking news coming in. BJP candidate from Kishtwar, Shagun Parihar, has claimed that she was heckled by PDP workers. That's the big news coming in at this point in time. Voting, remember, is underway in 24 constituencies of 7 districts in the first phase of the 3-phased assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. And now BJP's candidate from Kishtwar has alleged that she was heckled by PDP workers. A big claim that has been made. Let me go across to my colleague Akanksha joining us on the phone line for more on this. Akanksha, what more details can you share with us? Shagun Parihar, the BJP candidate from Kishtwar, is claiming that she was heckled by PDP workers.
Well, absolutely. This is a claim coming from the BJP candidate from Kishtwar, Shagun Parihar. In fact, she's been going from polling booth to others. And when she arrived at the specific polling booth that we will be showing you in just some time, she claims that she was heckled by the PDP workers. In fact, PDP workers are saying that she, in fact, pushed their workers. So this is what happened when she arrived at the polling booth here. Just a while back, in fact, the Commissioner of Police was also here. Just a while back, in fact, the Commissioner of Police was also here, and he took stock of the situation. He said that the law and order situation is okay now and everything is fine. And as you can also see behind me, the security has also been strengthened in this area after this, in fact, sort of a ruckus took place at the polling booth. But the claim coming from Shagun Parihar is that she was, in fact, pushed around by the PDP workers.
Right. Akanksha, thank you for joining us with all of those details. We are now getting a reaction as well from Shagun Parihar of the BJP. Let's listen in.
क्या हुआ घटनाक्रम?
जी, जब से यहाँ पे ये कैंडिडेट आए, इन्होंने सबसे पहले तो ये बोला कि ये लड़की विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले कर रही है, ये सिंपैथी लेने की कोशिश कर रही है। मुझे ये चीज बहुत बुरी लगी। मैंने कहा अगर मैं विक्टिम कार्ड क्यों प्ले करूंगी, और विक्टिम तो आप लोगों ने बनाया। और इन्होंने मुझे धक्के देने की कोशिश की। इनके जो कार्यकर्ता थे वो अंदर आ गए। इलेक्शन जहाँ पोलिंग होती है वहाँ कोई नहीं आ सकता है, बाहर निकालो, हम इसको दिखाते हैं।
कौन सी पार्टी, कौन थे वो नेता?
नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के लोग और पीडीपी के लोग। इन्होंने ये बोला कि इसको बाहर निकालो, हम इसको दिखाते हैं।
किसने
धक्का तो कैंडिडेट ने बोला।